In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you want to keep your computer private or your laptop private, then all you need to do is to go ahead and set up a password. Now to do that, go to the Windows menu and tap on it. And then from here, click on Settings. Now from this setting tabs, look for the option called Accounts and click on it. From here, look for the option called Sign In Options, which is this. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll have quite a number of sign-in options. As you can see, you can include your face, fingerprints, Windows Hello PIN, security key, as well as password and picture as well. So we want to set password. So I'll go ahead and tap on password. And as you can see, I don't have a password on this computer. So I'll go ahead and tap on add. Then here you have to enter your password that you want to set. And in case your caps lock is on, it will be indicated here. As you can see, I've turned it on. So you have to note whether you are setting it with the caps lock on or off. Then go ahead and give the hint that you'll use in case you forget your password, and then tap on next and then finish. So from here, the password has been set. And now each time you open your computer, you'll have to enter your password before you can use it. So that's how you set your password on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.